Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And yes, this may or may not be my new look. I don't know yet. I'm trying out bangs. I don't know if I'm much of a bangs girl, but we'll see. And I'm so happy to be here. Today I'm going to be featuring the latest icon box from BoxyCharm Ipsy. And like all things, it's spring, longer hours of sunlight, warmer weather, and of course, higher humidity. So again, I don't know how long these bangs will keep, but this is just an experiment and we'll try it for today. So I can't wait to open up my icon box to see what's in here. Oh wow, there's a whole lot of goodies in here, and I'm going to show you the box real quick. It is full of stuffs, so I can't wait to dive in. Okay, now my face is cleaned. I just came out from outside, which was pretty warm. It's a beautiful day though out. It's a lovely Sunday, and I just wanted to film something real quick. I've been feeling really productive today. I just did like 2 big loads of wash, which included towels and all kinds of stuff. So I have fresh sheets on the bed. Nothing like having fresh sheets, fresh towels, and fresh clothes. I feel like a very grateful and happy person. I feel very rich right now. So no further ado, let's go into the box and see what's here. The first thing I see here is the brochure for icon box, and apparently this star for this icon box is none other than Patrick Starr. Wow. This is an influencer. I'll just show you some more pictures. So clearly they spent some money on a beautiful, fabulous photo shoot. And I can't wait to see what's inside. I know some of Patrick Starr's products are in here. Patrick Starr is not to be confused with Patrick Starr, who are 2 totally different people, 2 totally different entities. The first thing I have here, Patrick Starr has a makeup brand called One Size, as in I guess one size fits all. So the first thing I see in here is the One Size Turn Up the Base. I'm wondering if this is, what is this? And of course I don't have my reading glasses on, but we'll try to fix that. I'm going to put on my reading glasses because I'm having a little issue trying to read this. Okay, so the first thing I have here from One Size is Turn Up the Base, and this is their BB cream. This is exciting. Ooh. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I could probably use this for a base to put on my makeup. BB cream, Beauty Blur Balm. Okay. Now I'll put the information somewhere here on the screen. And the next thing I got from One Size is the lip topper. And I just pulled this out of the packaging, but look how beautiful this is. Fantastic. And oh, just want to show that there. Ooh, has a bit of, ooh, look at the sparkle on there. Look at that sparkle on there. Oh my goodness. It smells vaguely of paint. I mean, it doesn't have a fragrance, which is fine for those who don't want to smell, you know, the usual vanilla or whatever, but this kind of has like a paint smell, but the color and the sparkles are amazing. Probably put these on the eyes too, like why not? That is gorgeous. And it has some staying power. If you allow it to sit, it will set. It almost gives like a wet look. Oh, beautiful. Okay. The next thing I have here from One Size is, ooh, what is this? Is this a lip? Maybe. So you can see that real quick. Oh my gosh, what is this? This looks like a time capsule, like one of those things that, those sand timers where they use the sand to go and keep time. I'm loving the packaging. This is so pretty. See, it says OS on there. Very nice. I don't even know how to open this, but one side looks matte and the other side looks like it has shine. You can wear one or you can wear both. I don't even want to open this, but this feels a little harder than, this is either a hard plastic or maybe glass, because this does not feel like regular, like, oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Shall we see what the color payoff is? Absolutely. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here real quick. That's that. It looks more like a lip gloss, really. And you have to snap, you have to make sure you hear that snap so it's closed all the way, otherwise it might dry out. So I'm gonna try this side. Oh, I have to remember to do it this way because, okay, again, kind of a rounded flat top in a way. So I'm just gonna do this real quick underneath. Look at that color payoff. That red is definitely my red. Love, love. See, you hear that click? Oh, look at that. Oof. This one actually has a scent. This smells a little like that cake, vanilla, sweet over. So if you're not into scents, maybe the lipstick part might not be for you. But the other one, the lip topper. Oh. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, strangely, I found this open. I don't know why. Maybe it's shifted in packaging. But this is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop. Okay. Pro and prebiotics, because you know it's summertime, which means you have to be even more mindful of your skincare, even though you're supposed to be mindful of your skincare all year long. But this is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. I will find out more about this and I will put some more information on here. All right, the next thing I have here is from Hair and Scalp Recovery Oil, and this is from Aavrani. Lately, they've been showing up in the past couple of months, and I've been liking some of these products, like their whipped cream for the face, the eye cream, the toner. The toner is gorgeous. I don't know what magic is in there, but if my skin is feeling like, you know, I washed it and it's feeling a little dry, like it's not feeling smooth for some reason, I apply that toner on, and like magic, my skin relaxes and it's smoothed out and looks beautiful. So I decided, based on the toner alone, that I was going to try the other pieces to the brand. So I'm dying to try out this Hair and Scalp Recovery Oil to see what that's about. It's supposed to have some sort of amla and bond complex. So this will be interesting to try out. Let's see. I'll show you the bottle. It's a beautiful, incredible dark blue. They're not playing with the packaging. And all the packaging is like smoked glass. It's not light. So, oh, and it has like a dropper here, which is nice. So I guess I have to do the same thing, like take this and it's a, you know, this, and then put it through the scalp like so. This one has kind of slightly citrus. That was my first reaction, but I could be wrong. But I can't wait to try it. I've also been getting involved as far as skincare with scalp care. Scalp is skin, so it would be nice to really work on that and concentrate on that. What else do I have here? Oh, look at this. The next thing I have here is from One Size again, and this is Fantasize. And I'm wondering if this is the mascara. It would be great if it was. Imagine, you know, I might just do a whole thing on One Size. You know, the only thing I'm missing here is the powder that I've heard so much about. Yeah, this looks like the mascara. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to review it. Yeah, it is Fantasize mascara. I'm going to do definitely, because I have several products from One Size which I've never tried before. I am going to definitely pick up, because I think the powder, I can get it from Sephora. So I'll pick up it's like a pink powder that has been trending lately on TikTok and Instagram. So once I get that, I will do a complete One Size, or as much as I can, a One Size look, just based on the products. Oh, another thing from One Size. What is this? This is waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. And it looks like it's in brown. I love that it's more than one color. Yeah, it's called Rust Brown. I wish they'd come up with better names. You know, brown is such a rich, beautiful color. It means so many things, like earthy brown or Mother Earth brown, something like that. You know, let's start to clean up the look of brown, so to speak, because brown is beautiful. So this is what it looks. Oh, look at that point. Yep, I can't wait. I don't smell a perfumey smell, probably just a paint smell, but I'm loving that it comes like this. It's so pretty. It's kind of reminiscent of the Maybelline, the old, not Maybelline, the Revlon. One of those. I had the red pencil. I'll put a picture somewhere here. It's very retro. My mom used to use that a lot back in the day. So that's what it reminds me of, that particular eyeliner. Okay, and here are some extras in my bag. I think I'm starting to realize that they put my add-ons as well as the 5 pieces in my bag. So I'm just going to indicate somewhere here what was included in the box and what were the add-ons somewhere in the video. The next thing I have here is from Born Ruby, and I believe this is a lip balm, if I'm not sure. Let's see, Born Ruby. Not really sure, but it has a protective thing on it, so I'm assuming it might be either blush. Okay. So this is Born Ruby, and these are blush drops. So different, so unique. I wonder if I should shake it and then open it. Oh, it has one of these sponges, which some people don't like because they feel that it harbors germs. But if you're the only person that's using this and you keep your skin and your face relatively clean, there's no reason why, if you're just using this for you, why you cannot repeat and use this. Some people may want to just take it out or just deal with what the content is inside, but I definitely am going to review this because I've never seen this brand before, and I'm dying to see what it looks like as a blush, maybe lip tint. We'll see. But of course, if you're going to use this, maybe you want to put on a palette first before applying it to your mouth or cheeks or whatever. So there you go. I like that. I like the packaging. It's very retro. The next thing I have here is from, who is this? Fenty. And this is the Thick and Smooth High Performing Cream. I will definitely be trying this to see what it's about. I don't know if this is an add-on or not. It might be due to the size, but I definitely want to try this. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, how cute. Look at the, it's like a little balm almost. Let's see if it opens. But it also unlocks here. How does this work? It has a thing here, so I'm wondering if it does this. No, it does not. But I think it may have something to do with this thing that turns. I'm not sure. But I notice once I turn it, it doesn't go back. I will have to investigate and figure out how that works, but please pardon the noise in the building since I live in New York City, densely, one of the most densely populated cities in the world, and for its size. So a lot of racket, a lot of people going back and forth, a lot of noise, a lot of in and out. So I try to minimize it as much as possible when I'm filming, but there are times when it's just simply not possible. And I just need to get through my filming because otherwise, if I don't, I will never be able to produce and post something. So the pressure's on, you know. So please forgive the intrusive sounds that you hear intermittently throughout this video. My apologies. The next thing I have here is from the Porefessional, and it's from Benefit. Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. I haven't had anything from Benefit in a while, even though I do have some of their products and I love their packaging. Decent sized bottle, I must say. I mean container, so I can't wait to use it. You see what it says there? That's interesting, right? Okay. So I can't wait to use that. Again, serious skincare, love it. Next thing I have here is from Szechuan, as I call it. And this is their, I believe it's another product for the hair repair. So I can't wait to put this and use this because I really love that brand. The next thing I see in here is from the New company, and this is their water therapy. Interesting, water therapy. Sounds mysterious. I'll put more information somewhere here in the video. Probably, definitely skincare. Let's just see what the bottle looks like. sexy bottle, I must say. Yeah, it looks like water. Except it's in a blue bottle. So I can't wait to try that. I wonder if it's spray. Yes, it is. So, oh, it has a scent that smells familiar to me. Like I've smelled this scent before. But maybe a little like hairspray in a way, but not. But again, if you're not into any scents or fragrances, that may not be for you. Finally, last but certainly not least, because I'm dealing with my hair, this is the Satin Scrunchie from Kitsch. This is just something to put in my hair to treat my hair a little more gently. So I'm really excited about that. And overall, that is it for the Icon Box from IPSY starring Patrick Starr. What do you think of what I got? I am so excited. Can't wait to dive in and try everything. I am definitely going to order the powder because I've heard such great things about the pink powder, the setting powder, I believe, from One Size. That's Patrick Starr's makeup beauty lines. I can't wait to dive in and do a video. It'll be a first impressions video and possibly a wear video to see how long it wears. Again, thank you so much for joining me on my latest IPSY Icon Box unboxing. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.